Right, this is a quick little video of how to change a window winder. Not many cars have these anymore, but if you've got a Mark 6 Fiesta, so what's that, like 2002 to 2008, then it possibly has one of these. Now, I think it would be the earlier Mark 6 Fiestas that will have these, so yeah, I think the facelift models were all electric windows. There wasn't a model with it. Decided to record this in the worst day possible, where it's absolutely pouring down with rain. But yeah, quick little video then on how to change these window winders. Now, if you see, if I can get the camera in there, there is a little pin. Yeah, you can just about see that. There's a little metal pin in there. It is hard to see because it doesn't come away enough, but just there at the bottom of the screen there's a little metal pin, and that's what you need to do to pop out, and it literally comes off. It is literally about a minute job to do. Can be tricky if you can't get a flathead screwdriver down there, but that is all you need. Literally the only tool you need is a flat-headed screwdriver. I've got a tiny little flat-headed screwdriver there to do the job. Now, it's always best to check out videos like this on YouTube. You know, we have YouTube's here, we have that tool, so why not use it rather than tackling the job yourself and finding out you've just damaged your door card because you didn't know how the window winder come off. So I can get that in there, pop that off. There we go. I'll just pop the pin out, and there you go, pops off. Pin's down there, there it is. So yeah, literally a little pin like that. Pop it off. I don't need to take that off, that can stay on. And there you go. I will try and get this on, because that's how it is. You get a new one, you get the pin in like that. I'm hoping I can just slip that on there and it might expand and go on. If not, I have to take the pin out. If I can actually yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to take the pin out. You can just lift the pin up a little bit, and you should lift it up a bit like that. You should be able to slot it on. I am trying to not take it out completely. I'm trying to get it out a little bit, see if I can actually. There we go. I did actually manage to lift it up a bit, so I didn't have to take the whole thing out. And that is it. There you go. See, it works. Simple job. Literally took me a couple minutes. Would have took me even less if I wasn't filming it. But literally, locate the pin behind there. Get a flathead screwdriver. Pop the pin up. Pull it off. The pin that comes with the new winder, just lift it up a little bit and you should be able to just push it straight on. That's probably the best way to do it, rather than taking the pin off completely, then pushing it on, then trying to slide the pin down, because you can't see the bit that you're sliding it down, if you see what I mean. So you could be trying to push it down into the wrong bit and it won't go on. So don't take the pin off completely, lift the pin up a little bit and then slot it in. And that's it. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you found it helpful, then please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, leave a comment if it did help you, and you know, if it didn't, then by all means leave a comment as to your reasons why. Yeah, if you enjoyed this, then please feel free to go and check out my other videos, where I am doing videos on this actual car that you see here, the actual Mark 6 Fiesta. Basically getting it ready for sale, and that's one of the jobs that needed doing. If you want to see all the rest of the jobs that I've done on this car, then check out the videos on this channel, plus other cars that I do have on this channel. Is it the Mark 1, the Mercedes A-Class, and also the Mark, I think it's, yeah, Mark 2 Renault Megane. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and hopefully I'll see you in another one of my videos.